And we're gonna make homemade ricotta. Trusty deli container. Never leave home without it. Maybe the most useful tool in the kitchen. Now, we're gonna be fancy, mainly because I don't want to get another pot dirty. And we're gonna make this in the immersion circulator, sous vide style. Can you say sous vide?
Sous vide.
Oh, you speak French?
No.
No, but that was just in French. So we have our circulator set to 172 degrees. Fun fact, when you're measuring with a deli container, go up to the line. So if it's a 16-ounce deli container, 16 ounces is right where this little wrinkle in the plastic is. What we're gonna do, we're gonna let the water squeeze the air out of the bag. All right, and you see, pressure from the water just squeezes the air out of the bag. Now, you don't need to have a fancy immersion circulator to do this at home. You can easily do it on the stovetop. Bring your milk up to 185 degrees. You do need a thermometer for this one though. 185 degrees, stir in your vinegar, and then hold it at that temperature for 20 minutes. Okay, our milk has been cooking for about a half hour. We need about 20 milliliters. So when your wife is a scientist, you have little doodads like this one hanging around. It's about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. And our vinegar. Kind of squish the bag. Make sure it's distributed. Back in 15-20 minutes. All right, here we are after 15 minutes. Look at that. Magic. That's what you get. Cup and a half of ricotta cheese. What we did with the ricotta cheese, we buzzed it with a stick blender with just a drop more milk and some olive oil and a little bit of minced rosemary. Super creamy. What's your favorite type of cheese?
Yellow.
Yellow cheese. Yellow American cheese. I don't think we can make that at home. You need a much more sophisticated lab.